Hello and welcome. In our present day world, for you to build that popularity, that viral effect that you are looking for in any social media platform, there are a lot of tricks that are involved. You have situations where you pay for advertisement, either through on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or whatsoever. Let them advertise your own channel, or you pay for other medium that you can use. But in this case, we are going to be using some other platform that will enable us work with other people so that they can share our content, get followers for us, get comment for us, and a host of other things. So that platform is what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you some using this practical screen you are seeing. This is my Facebook account. So I'm using my Facebook account to show you some people that are actually using this platform very well. I'm going to show you one so that we won't prolong this video. When you look at this point, it is having 13k comments. When you look at this place, it is having 7.6k share. How did he arrive at this 7.6k share? And if you check the date in which this post was made, you see that okay, this one is February, is old, is too old. We'll check for any recent one. You see even followers. When you check, you see you have a lot of followers. How did he get all this? Even this verify mark, all these things, you get this task done through that platform. And look at, we are going to see this practical example. This is 14 hours ago. You just see, let's go down. You see it's already having 3k shares, 7k comments, likes, and host of others. So all these things are available on this particular video that I'll be showing you, so that we'll get to see. This is another one again. You see 20th June, and by the time you go into seeing the views, you see that it's already having a lot of views within a short possible time. So let's go to this particular platform. Let me open it. So this is it. The link to this platform is at the description box. Just click on it, it will take you to that particular link. So on this platform, you see we have our dashboard, we have our profile, we have available jobs, other elements that you have. You can do the same task by getting followers or shares from here, or you can also do the same thing for other people, let them pay you. So when we scroll down, you see the available jobs. This is it. You can see this one wants Facebook like. You must have 300 friends. These are the people that have done it. You need 9,000 likes. This is the job. This is what you want to pay 36 naira. You want to pay 36 naira. This is it. This is for IG, Instagram. A lot of tags are available here. You can also post your own. You are going to see samples that other people have made. This is it. This is it. This one what is expected from the worker. Click on the link below. It will take you to my Facebook page. Follow the page, take screenshots. Very simple, and you'll be paying 20 naira for any person that does it. So what usually happens here, by the time you do that job, what is required of us, we'll submit a screenshot that we have actually subscribed to this particular, this is a URL. So you go down, you'll get to see. This is where we'll put everything. We'll do it practically on this video so that you see. But before then, let me show you something. A simple example of what I've done. When you come here, when I scroll down, you will see this is my earning. This means so far just 2 people have satisfied, have approved what I've done, and I have 250 naira pending. So as I continue to do the task, this money is going to be increasing. 66% satisfaction. Then you will get to see this is the profile, this is the dashboard, this is the account. You can also use this platform to refill. That means to recharge. That means to load money into this account. Let's get to see it. This is it. You use the deposit option to deposit money so that you can ask people to also do the same thing for you. So these are one of the tricks that they use. This is where you withdraw. That means in the event you are using it to earn money, this money is going to be increasing as time goes on. You just need to be patient so that when you post it, the person will review it and he will approve it, so that the money will come to this particular. With time, all this money, by the time they approve it, it will move to this particular total fund. Then this is earning. So on this withdrawal, you need a minimum of 1,900. Let's say 2,000 naira. Let's click on it. Let's see. So you see, you have 1,900. So by the time you get it, you can put in your account details here. You see, when I scroll down, you see. So you put in your account detail, you submit for withdrawal. That is, during the process of the registration, you'll be required to fill your account details and other this the same way you use it your local bank account. This one you don't need international bank account to do this one. So let's go to the task. We are going to do the task now. This is another sample again that somebody want. You need Twitter followers. This is it, username and a host of other information. You can see it. This is everything here. So let's go to that particular task that we want to complete. So this we will do this task. We will submit the screenshot. This is the person's profile. We will click on this profile. When it opens, it will be something like this. This is the person's profile. So on the screen, on his page, we will now come to these three dots here. You can also do this on your mobile phone. By the time we click on these three dots, it's going to show us the options of the following. But before we do that, we are going to screenshot this particular point so that when we are sending it to him, he is going to be very sure that we actually follow him. Or if it is in the event that the person wants you to share the post, you can also do the same. So we'll screenshot it. I'm using BandingCap. By the time I click the link, you can also check it. The link to get BandingCap software is also on the description box. I've made it available in my other channels severally. So I'll now click follow. So after clicking the follow button, look at it. You will see it's telling me the various ways in which I want to see the persons. So at this point, it shows that I'm actually following. I will now screenshot again. That means I've screenshot to show that I'm actually following the person's profile, and I'm using my default order so that every time the person posts something, I'm going to see it on my own timeline. Then I'll now come here. Since I'm already following, unless I want to unfollow, then I will now come down here and click update. But in this case, I'm already following the person, so I've sent him a screenshot to show that I'm following him. Here's a screenshot. It's showing the following setting and other relevant content. So I will now click here. So since I've screenshot it, I will now cancel. So it means I'm actually following the person. So the person is going to verify and be sure that I'm following him. Let's check our follower. So after the entire process, I will now go back to the site again. So this is the site now. I will now write kindly approve my task if possible. My username is, or I can say my Facebook username is da. I will now put it. Then I'll now come to this particular point. I will now choose the proof. For me to choose the proof, I will go to the BandingCam software. That is the folder where the screenshot is situated. And I go down. So this is a screenshot. We'll select it. This is it. We submitted it. We're going to do it 3 times. So after completing the task like this, attach a screenshot of the completed task of following you for your kind approval, please. This is it. Everything is intact. Then we'll come down here. We'll click submit. So you now see your proof has been submitted, will be verified. So the person who posts this task is going to verify it. So he will come online, he will check and be sure that I completed the task, and he will approve it. So far 1,230 something thousand have followed him, and he need 5,000. So this is ID and other relevant information there. You can also post your own too. Let's assume you want to get followers too. You will now come here at this top here, you click post job. When you click post job, you will come scroll down, select category, sign ups. Maybe you want people to sign up into your link, or maybe your website or whatsoever. You want to get follow, like, comment, Instagram. You want for WhatsApp, in Telegram. You want for YouTube, you want to get rated. You want to rate a YouTube. You want people to comment. You want to subscribe to a channel. You want them to subscribe to a channel. You can also help somebody to do it. So you get the task, you negotiate. So most of these top celebrities, that is what they do. They have people who run these things for them. They pay them. They come here. They do all those necessary things. So all this share, look at it. Let's go to Facebook. This is Facebook category. This is YouTube. This is Twitter. This Facebook category, like, follow. Look at it. You will see shares too. And you go down. You see shares. Share your wall. That is, share a post to your wall. Share to your wall. 300 friends, 50 friends. So depending on the category that you want, you can see them. So go down continuously. You want to write honest review. You want people to write reviews for you for different tasks. So that is one good thing with this platform. So you do everything, the calculation, you put your money, you put everything, then you can accept it. So that is the good thing about it. So I'm sure you've learned something today from this particular video, and more will be coming your way as time goes on. So I've shown you some examples. So don't forget to keep a date to the channel. I'll be posting more of this. All the platforms, I'll be getting them and I'll be making them available. They also have a link in the description box where I showed all the available ways you can use to make money online. Please check it. It will really help you. You will see all the links. I will be updating it from time to time. So thank you very much once again. Catch you in my next video.